Good morning students, welcome to the online class of computer. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, logos part 2. In this chapter we are going to learn our MCQs. All of you know logo. When you open the software it looks like as seen at the picture seen on your screen. Okay. Logo commands, all of you know what the logo commands are. FD command for forward command, BK is used for backward command, RT for right turn, LT for left turn, CS for clear screen, CT for clear text, ST for hide turtle and ST for show turtle. Home is used to move the turtle to the home position, and clean is used to clean the drawing. PU is used to for pen up, and PD for pen down. If you want to write anything, you start the command with PU, and if you want the turtle so that it does not write, you will use the PU command, otherwise you need the PD command. To change the pen size, all of you know this is the picture here. For changing the pen size here, pen color, we can change the pen color by set pen color option, and we can select the color red, blue, green and of the screen of the logo program. Okay, so you can select any desired color by using set screen. Use of repeat commands in logo, we have already discussed all the commands, repeat commands in logo. Okay, so with the help of the repeat commands you can draw beautiful pictures that we have seen in the live class. Also we have done all the pictures, right? So there was a mistake regarding that hexagon is there, so we will discuss in the live class. Okay, now all of you know repeat commands are there. What it is used for? Repeat commands is used that we does not have to repeat the commands again and again. Just we are writing repeat for it will FD75 RT90. Repeat is used for repeating the commands again and again. Now let us move ahead with the MCQs, multiple choice questions. First one, dash command is used to clear the commands given to the logo. Options are A CT, B HT, C CS. So answer is CT here. Second one, dash command is used to bring the turtle to its home position. Options are A clear, B home, C set. So answer is home here. Third one, dash command is used to clear the screen without changing the turtle's position. Options are A clear, B home, C clean. So answer is clean here. Fourth one, the dash option is set menu is used to change the color of the turtle's pen. Options are A pen color, B home, C clean. So answer is pen color here. Fifth one, the dash color option is used to change the background color of the logo screen. Options are A set screen, B pen color, C set pen size. So answer is set screen. Sixth one, CSCTST repeat 3 FD200 RT120 square bracket complete ST is used to draw a dash of size 200. Options are A triangle, B pentagon, C rectangle. So answer is triangle here, as repeat 3 is there, and how many sides the triangle has? 3 sides. So we will use repeat 3 is for triangle. Simultaneously, seventh one, CSCTST repeat 5 in square bracket FD175 RT72 square bracket complete is used to draw a dash of size 175. So answer is options are A triangle, B pentagon, C rectangle. So answer is pentagon here. So all of you know what is the size of the pentagon? What are the sides of pentagon? 5 sides are there. So here repeat 5 is used. 8 1, CSCTST repeat 2 in square bracket FD80 RT90 FD150 RT90 square bracket complete is used to draw a dash of side 80 and 150. Options are A triangle, B pentagon, C rectangle. So answer is rectangle here. So rectangle has how many sides? Two sides it has of different shapes. So right here we are using FD80 RT90 and FD150 RT90. Ninth one, dash command is used to fill desired color in the closed diagram of logo. Options are A home, B pen size, C fill. So answer is fill here. 10th one, dash command is used to fill desired color in the close of logo. So 10th one, students, see here this MCQs is by mistake it has been happened. So we will change the 10th one, and that we have converted into repeat 3 FD200 RT120 is used to draw a dash. So answer is triangle here. Okay, that we will going to change in the live class. So now let us revise what we have learned in the live class. Okay, we have learned first one, dash command is used to clear command is CT command. To change the position, to change the command, to change the position of the turtle, we are using the home command here. Okay, so home command is used to bring the turtles to its home position. Third one, dash command is used to clear the screen, clean command is used to clear the screen. Fourth one, which option is in set menu is used to change the color of the turtle's pen. For changing the turtle's pen color, we have using the pen color option. For changing the background of the logo screen, we are using set screen here. Repeat 3, you can see here repeat 3 is for triangle, as the triangle has 3 sides. Repeat 5 is for pentagon, as the pentagon has 5 sides here. Repeat 2 FD80 RT90 FD150 RT90. Repeat 2 is for rectangle, because rectangle has two different sides on two different opposite sides. Okay, ninth one is fill command is used to fill the desired color in the closed diagram of logo. Okay, so these were MCQs of our chapter number 2. So study well, students, and read the MCQs whole again. And if you have any question or doubt regarding the logo program, you can ask me in the live class. Okay, students, so that's for today now. Thank you and have a nice day.